Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about conditional or control statements. So first, what is a control or conditional statement? So far we have seen the programs that are having a sequential flow. That means if I am starting with main function and then it will go one by one execution, right? That is called a sequential flow of execution. The statements in the program are executed one by one. Now we are going to alter the flow of execution by inserting the conditions in the program. For example, so here some lines are there. I want to change if certain condition is met, you should execute this statement. If the condition is not met, you just execute this set of statements, right? Like that, I am going to change the flow of the execution in the program is called as conditional or control statements. So, what are all the statements that are available in the C for conditional or control statements? First, we are having if, else. If certain condition is true, you have to execute some set of statements. If it is false, you have to execute certain statements. So, the first one is if else. Next one is we are going to see about nested if else statement. So nested if else in the sense if, else if, else, like that it will going on, right? And we are also having if certain condition, inside that some statement is given. Again inside we have to give some if statement, like that also we can use it. So these are all comes under the nested if else statement. So first one we are having is if else, and second one we are having is nested if else statement. And then what else we are having? We are having a switch statement. So what we are going in if else, we will give certainly two conditions. Only if it is true, we have to execute certain statement. If it is false, we are going to execute certain statements. But in the switch case, it is called as multi-way branching statement. It is called as multi-way branching. Why we are calling it so means, if I am going to give multiple conditions in the single program. So for example, I am going to do one arithmetic calculation operation. We are having so many calculations, plus, minus, modulo, division, multiplication, yes, power, like that we are having a square, like that we are having so much of functions, operations in the arithmetic. So we can add using that switch statement. So for that you have to give the switch of option. So what option you are going to give? For example, if I am given option as 1. In the case 1, I am having a arithmetic operations. So each and every case must end with a break statement. So what is the use of break statement means? We are using a break statement to come out of the certain block or loop. Okay. So for example, if I am given the choice as 1, I will give case 1. So that case will execute. After the execution, it is going to break. If I am give the case as 2, so case 2 I have given the some other operation as subtraction. So again I have to give the break statement. So this is called as multi-way branching using switch statement. We can also having in conditional statements One more is there, that is go. We are having a go to label. So if I give some labeling I am using, in that I have given certain operations. So if I give here go to label semicolon, then the control will directly transfer here and it is going to execute this set of statements. So that is, we are having a go to statement, and another one we are having is a continue statement. So this continue also we can use inside the loopings or inside the blocks. For example, if certain condition is met, I can stop the execution here and again I will continue from the starting. So for that purpose we can use the continue statements. So these are all the things that we are going to see under the conditional or control statements, right? Today I am not going to discuss about any programs, just I have given an introduction about the conditional or control statements. So that for an example, if I am going to write a program for the if-else statement, then what we are going to do, just we will include a header file. After include a header file, we just add our main function. So inside the main function, what are all the things that we will need is, first we have to add a return statement. Then we will have a certain statements we can add it. If, for example, I am here declaring, reading the age from the user using a %d ampersand age. I am reading the age. Here I am declaring the int age. So if age is greater than 18. So okay, I am reading the age from the user. If age is greater than 18, then what I am going to do? I am going to print as eligible to vote. Okay. So now I have changed the flow of execution. Instead of scanf, after printing, directly go to the printf statement is normal flow. So instead of that, what I am doing here, I have if age is greater than 18, then you go to here. Otherwise, that is else statement. If it is false, you won't go here. You directly go here and print not able to vote. Okay, so this is the thing we are going to change the control flow. Okay, thank you all. Please subscribe my channel and watch daily for the updates. Thank you.